Hey there, fellow loungers. Ever find yourself dreaming of jetting off somewhere new, but can't stand the thought of lugging around a suitcase? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where we make traveling as easy as plopping on the couch for a Netflix binge. I'm Ryan Brooks, and today we're diving into the art of traveling with just your phone. Yep, that's right. No need for bulging backpacks or endless checklists. Just you, your phone, and the open road. Alright, let's get into it. Picture this. You're waiting in line at the airport and the person in front of you is juggling a carry-on, a neck pillow, a tablet, and a passport that's about to slip out of their pocket. Meanwhile, you're breezing through with just your phone tucked in your pocket, feeling like a travel ninja. How do you get there? First off, let's talk about the power of travel apps. There are incredible apps like PackPoint, which automatically creates a packing list based on your destination, weather, and activities. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you hate packing, but loves getting away. Another must-have is Google Maps offline. Download your maps ahead of time and navigate like a local without worrying about data charges or spotty Wi-Fi. It's perfect for those spontaneous detours when you're exploring a new city. Now, let's not forget about the beauty of digital boarding passes. Say goodbye to paper tickets you might accidentally leave at home. Most airlines now offer mobile boarding passes that you can save to your phone's wallet. Just a quick scan at the gate, and you're good to go. And speaking of saving space, don't underestimate the convenience of ebooks and audiobooks. Load up your phone with your favorite reads and podcasts, and you've got entertainment sorted for the entire journey. Lastly, keep your phone juiced up with a slim power bank. They're lightweight and can easily slip into your pocket or a small pouch. This way, you can keep snapping photos, checking maps, or ordering food without the dreaded low battery warning. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to traveling light and stress-free with just your phone. Remember, the key takeaways are utilizing smart travel apps, going digital with your tickets and entertainment, and keeping your phone charged and ready for anything. Next time you hit the road, try leaving the bulky gear behind and see how liberating it can be. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe to the Lazy Traveler's Guide for more laid-back travel hacks. Until next time, travel easy and keep it chill.